Going to discuss about preparation of alkyl halides continuation is. So first process is iodination. So in this process alkyl iodine is prepared. So for example let us consider one alkane, so that is methane react with the iodine. So this process is a very slow process and it is also reversible process. So then one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen. So the obtained alkyl halide is methyl iodide and HI. So in product HI is the strong reducing agent. It is a strong reducing agent. So due to strong reducing agent, this reaction is reversible reaction. So then second preparation method is bromido Hunts-Dickler reaction. So this reaction is useful to the preparation of alkyl bromides. So generally this reaction is also known as decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation reaction. So decarboxylation means removal of CO2 from the compound is called decarboxylation. So in this reaction, silver salt of carboxylic acid or COO, silver salt of carboxylic acid, it is treated with alkyl groups or bromide. So best example is bromine. So then removal of CO2, alkyl group combines with bromine, then silver combines with Br. So this reaction undergoes in the presence of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So then alkyl bromide is obtained. So then it is AgBr plus CO2. So removal of carbon dioxide is called decarboxylation reaction. So it is the preparation of bromine by Hunts-Dickler reaction. So then after completion of the preparation of alkyl halides, then we are going to discuss physical properties of alkyl halides. Physical properties. Physical properties of alkyl halides. So then first physical property is alkyl halides are X. Alkyl halides are colorless. It is the colorless in pure form of the alkyl halides. So then second property is boiling points of alkyl halides. Boiling points of alkyl halides. So in generally, if the same alkyl group is present, same alkyl, so that is the same alkyl group is present, the boiling point order is Ri is greater than Rbr is greater than RCl is greater than RF. So because if the size of the alkyl is same, if the size of the halogen increases, boiling point also increases. So then second one is if number of halogens increases, boiling point will be increases. So for example, CH3Cl is less than CH2Cl2 is less than CHCl3 is less than CCl4. So then CCl4 with a high boiling point because 4 halogens are present. So the third one is if number of branches increases, boiling points will be decreases. So the order of the alkyl halides is boiling point of the primary alkyl halides is greater than secondary alkyl halides is greater than tertiary alkyl halides. So primary alkyl halides means, so for example, let us consider, so it is the primary carbon, it is the primary alkyl halide. So secondary alkyl halides, so it is 1, it is 2, it is 3 and it is 4, it is X. So this carbon is a secondary carbon, this halogen is a secondary alkyl halide. So the third one is 1, 2, 3, so it is X, it is C. So primary, secondary, tertiary. So this carbon is a tertiary carbon, this halogen is a tertiary alkyl halide. So if number of branches increases, boiling points will be decreases. No branches, one branch and two branches are present. So the third physical property of the alkyl halide is density. Density of the alkyl halide. The order of the alkyl halides is Ri is greater than Rbr is greater than RCl is greater than Rf. Because in group from top to bottom, size is increases. If size increases, molecular weights increases, automatically density also increases. So alkyl iodides with high density. So then fourth one is dipole moment. So generally dipole moment is the decreases from top to bottom. The order is Rf is greater than RCl is greater than Rbr is greater than Ri. But in this order one exception is there. The exception order is RCl is greater than Rf is greater than Rbr is greater than Ri. So this. So next fifth physical property of the alkyl halide is solubility. So solubility. So generally alkyl halides insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. But alkyl halides are soluble in organic solvents. But soluble in organic solvents. So then next physical property of the alkyl halide is bond strength of the alkyl halides. Bond strength of the alkyl halide is Rf is greater than RCl is greater than Rbr is greater than Ri. Because fluorine with small size, more attractions are present, so then bond strength is very high in the alkyl fluorides. So these are all the physical properties of the alkyl halides. So then after completion of the physical properties of the alkyl halides, then we are going to discuss about Preparation and the properties of the aryl halides. So next topic is aryl halides. So in aryl halides, best example is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene with molecular formula is C6H5Cl. C6H5Cl. So now first preparation method. Preparation methods of the aryl halides. So number one is aryl halide prepared from, these are prepared from benzene. These are prepared from benzene C6H6. So for example, let us consider benzene C6H6. It is reactive with chlorine Cl2. This reaction undergoes in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 or simply iron. So then one hydrogen is replaced by one chlorine. So the obtained compound is C6H5Cl plus HCl. So C6H5Cl is the chlorobenzene. So same reaction represented with the aromatic ring. So it is the benzene. It is treated with chlorine in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 or iron. So then one chlorine is substituted the hydrogen. So the obtained compound is chlorobenzene. It is Cl plus it is HCl. So in this process, fluorobenzene is preparation is not possible. Preparation of the fluorobenzene is not possible. So then remaining chlorobenzene, same as bromobenzene, same as iodobenzene. So these are all the possible in this process, because fluorine with small size, more attractive forces are present. So this aryl halide is not possible in this reaction. So then preparation of chlorobenzene from the benzene, first one. So then second preparation is preparation of the aryl halides. So like that, chlorobenzene from diazonium, diazonium compounds. Preparation of chlorobenzene or halobenzenes from the diazonium compounds. So wherein first one is diazotization of aniline. So aniline is the benzene ring with NH2 group. So then it is the benzene with NH2 group. So it is aniline. So it is involved in diazotization reaction in the presence of NaNO2 plus HCl 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature. So then number of nitrogens is 2, and this chlorine is substituted in the place of hydrogen. Then the obtained compound is, so it is N2Cl. So in N2Cl, N2 is with positive charge, Cl is negative charge. So the name of the compound is benzene diazonium chloride. benzene diazonium chloride. So then by the using of benzene diazonium chloride to prepare chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, etc. So now the important reaction is there. One is Sand-Meyer's reaction. So in this reaction, bromobenzene and chlorobenzene are prepared from benzene diazonium chloride. So let us consider benzene diazonium chloride. It is Cl minus, it is N2 plus. So then this reaction undergoes in the presence of cuprous chloride. Simply Cl2, Cu2 or CuCl. So in the presence of HCl, same as cuprous Cu2 Br2, cuprous bromide in the presence of HBr. So then this group is substituted by chlorine. So the obtained compound is chlorobenzene. So it is Cl. Then bromine is substituted by this group. The obtained compound is bromobenzene. So then N2 is obtained. So this reaction is known as Sand-Meyer's reaction. So in Sand-Meyer's reaction, preparation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene from diazonium chloride in the presence of cuprous chloride. So then second reaction is Gattermann reaction. So in this reaction also to prepare chlorobenzene as well as bromobenzene. So in this reaction, let us consider aniline. From aniline, diazonium chloride is obtained. So it is N2Cl, Cl minus N2 plus. But this reaction undergoes in the presence of only the copper powder. So then copper powder, and it is HCl and it is HBr. So then this N2Cl group is substituted by Cl and also Br. So then the obtained compound is chlorobenzene, benzene with chlorine, same as benzene with bromine, and nitrogen is obtained. So now what is the differences between Sand-Meyer's and Gattermann reaction? In both reactions to prepare the chloro and bromobenzenes from benzene diazonium chloride. But the difference is in Sand-Meyer's reaction undergoes in the presence of cuprous chloride, but Gattermann reaction undergoes in the presence of only copper. So then this one, preparation of chloro and bromobenzene.